The European Union says safe abortions can be provided free of charge by member states for women visiting from EU nations that restrict access to them. That's according to the European Commission on Thursday, which clarified the policy, saying it would be paid for using an existing social fund.
Now we must stay united and keep working together for the women in Europe.
Aja Labib is the European Commissioner for Equality.
This means support women who need to travel, support women in their own country, support women in remote areas, and support women without financial means. In practice, it means women will have better access to safe abortion care, any vulnerable women anywhere in Europe.
Some member states, including Malta and Poland, have near total bans in place, while abortions are hard to access in others, including Italy and Croatia. The EU's executive body was responding to the women's rights campaign, My Voice, My Choice, which had gathered more than 1 million signatures. It called for the creation of an EU fund to assist women seeking abortion procedures abroad due to restrictive policies at home. The Commission stopped short of that on Thursday, but it said member states may choose to use or reallocate resources from an existing fund to ensure access to safe abortions for women.
I'm so happy with the decision. We've actually made history.
Mateusz Bizanski, a lawyer at the Federal Foundation for Women and Family Planning in Warsaw, said the move will benefit Poles who lack the resources to travel.
That's why many women from rural areas or less privileged grounds were just staying at home in Poland. And now they have ability to go to the Netherlands and receive the healthcare they deserve.
Critics, including some far-right political parties and conservative lawmakers, said the proposal impinged on some countries' rights to set their own health policies and went against traditional Christian values. Olivier Beau, director of communications for the Polish anti-abortion group Ordo Iuris, said he expected to see protests.
It is the latest example of how the European Commission itself, which very often talks about the rule of law, has no respect for democracy and the rule of law.
The Abortion Access Campaign was a European citizens' initiative, a mechanism that lets EU citizens propose legislation so long as they can gather 1 million signatures. This marks the 12th such initiative the Commission has responded to since 2012, when the scheme was launched. Previous initiatives have not been fully adopted, which has led to criticism of the mechanism's effectiveness.